Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today was a daddy and daughter date, and I got my nails done. Look how pretty they are. They have pink and sparkles, and pink is my favorite color, and I love them. So yeah, I picked pink because it's Easter coming up, and pink is an Easter color, so that's why I picked that color. And my mom and my brother went to Dollar Tree and they surprised me with these toys. So let's go see what they are. So we got this butterfly poppet. Look how cool, from Dollar Tree. And I'm surprised they even have poppets at Dollar Tree. So let's open this with my scissors. Okay. Whoa, look at this poppet. Wow, let's see how the pops are. Oh, guys, they have letters on them. Look, they have little letters on them. That's cool. And it's a keychain. I can't believe it. Wow, that's cool. The next one. Another poppet. Okay. Look at this poppet. It's a heart poppet. And it's green. Okay. I think this one has letters as well. Let me see. Oh, it does! Look! Whoa! You can see better on this one. Wow, this one's cool. They're both cool. And that's kind of cool. Oh, we got a little crabby. Pinch, 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 pinch. Crab, don't pinch the camera. And this crab is purple. Well, this one has letters as well. I think all of them have letters. That's cool. And that's a keychain. Pinch, pinch. And this one's a shirt. A shirt poppet. Okay, and this, oh my goodness, it popped out. Let's see if this one has letters. This one does too. Look. Whoa. This one's cool. Okay. Oh my goodness, I just noticed something. It's a unicorn. I thought it was a horse for a minute, but it's a unicorn. That's cool. Okay, let's open this up. It's a yellow unicorn. Okay, let's see how the pops are. That's pretty good. That's a cool unicorn. I can't believe there's a unicorn. OMG, guys. Look at this. It's a squishy banana. Let's open this. Whoa. I never saw a banana squishy like this. And it's Orbeez. This is cool, and it's even at the Dollar Tree. I can't believe it. This is really cool. Love that. That's an A+, by the way. And we got this one, a yellow, what do you call this? Stretchy toy. Okay, so now let's take off the tag off. This is cool, and it's yellow. I have one as well, but it's orange. Yeah, but this can be my bestie, the bestie. But this one's yellow. It's a bright yellow. OMG! One is for my brother, and one is for me. Okay, let's open this. I'm so excited. Goodness. Wee-hee. This is really fun. Which one do you like better? The orange or do you like the blue better? I have no idea for me. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna take off the blue first. For me, I really do love the orange better, but I do like the blue as well. Whoa, look at this. I'm gonna bow splat a wall. Get it? I'm splat. Splat the wall. Woohoo! Because it's really sticky actually. Let's take out the orange one as well. Ah, the hair is stuck. Oh my goodness. This is so fun. Whoa, 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 whoa! It's sticking to the package. Whoa. Look at this. This is fun. Oh my goodness, it sticks to the wall. Okay. Better not touch the ground because then it's going to have hairs on it. I found something. Oh, this is a bug, but I don't know what kind of bug is this. Oh, I think I know what it is. It's a centipede. Yes, a centipede. It's purple centipede. Woohoo, it's crawling, it's crawling. Don't get the camera. Okay. The grapes. The green grapes. So let's open this. This is cool. Just like the bananas. And we got a strawberry as well. So we got a banana, a strawberry, and we got it grapes. Wow, it's like a whole fruit plate. Oh, this strawberry is cool. Wow, this is really cool. Well, all of them is really cool. It even looks like it's like the real seeds. Like the oranges are the seeds. And we got a mermaid tail. Fun. Okay, guys, this is going to be the last thing. So be excited. Like the whole video is so excited. A unicorn poppet. And it's yellow. Really cool. So, bye guys. Mwah. Have a good day.